Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. Yeah, it's coming together nicely. I think we only talked about it 2 or 3 days ago and we said that the S&P is forecasted to still go lower, deeper into this yellow support area in this wave 4. So I'm only going to talk about the microstructure. In previous videos we talked about the bigger picture and talked about how important the 4,188 level is and how important for continuation to the upside it is that the move to the downside remains a 3-wave move and doesn't become a 5-wave move, because then it could get much more ugly, okay? Really nasty on the way down. But first of all, we're going to watch if this support area can hold. It is very important actually that this 4188 level holds, and especially because we need the right structure. So as long as we have 3 waves down, not so much of a problem. But as soon as we get 5 waves down below support, prepare for a really nasty correction, if not even a crash. Yeah, so we have this ABC structure that was the forecast. Again, until a few days ago, before we really came down here and took out the previous swing low, it was possible, not the primary scenario, but possible that this B wave could move higher and then we would come down. But luckily, it's coming down more directly because that gives us some clarity. So I want to talk to you about the microstructure here, what we can expect. Obviously, these moves down, they add to the probability that we are finally finishing off this C wave or maybe something more bearish. But first of all, we need to see if this structure completes nicely. And also want to give you my best view of the, let's say the micro count here in this particular structure. So first of all, if we say a B wave topped here, that was our short trade area, fantastic short trade area, which was reached here on the 1st of September. B wave topped here, price came down in a wave 1. I remember when we made the video and I highlighted to you, this is a 5-wave move down. At least we can interpret it as that. Prepare for a wave 2 to the upside in a correction into this resistance area, which would be the next short trade area potentially. And it worked out nicely as well. Okay, so that's all coming together really good. The question is now just how do we frame all of this up? How do we add all of this together now with the third wave to the downside? Because now that we broke below the wave 1, circle wave 1, this third wave down is in the making. What is an ideal target for the third wave? It's typically the 1.236 to the 1.618 extension. Now, the fact that we already broke below the 1.236 shows, okay, 1.618. They are the ideal targets. They can always extend. So the fact that we might actually have a 1.212 setup here leads to an extension. So I would watch here the next fib level, 4,294, as potential completion target for circle wave 3. But we need to look at the microstructure as well. So first of all, we want to change the wave degree here so I can add another degree. So this count hasn't changed at all, which is good to see. But this move up here makes me add another 1-2 setup probably. So we can do that. And it looks to me as if this third wave is still in the making. So let's talk about that now. Yeah, best I can tell is obviously that we had here another. Let me add the micro. Where's the tool? There you go. Here another 1-2 setup. And then this third wave still seems to be in the make. Maybe it completed here. Third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. Again, when we talk about this, when we do this micro counting, they are less reliable. I mean, the S&P is probably the instrument where micro counting is most reliable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this third wave could nearly be done. Then we should get this fourth wave. Then another move down in a fifth wave of a third, another 4, and another 5. And I would like to give you resistance for this fourth wave here. This still is a moving target basically, or moving resistance, because it depends when this third wave finishes. Now the market is of course closed, but what we do is take the length of the third wave and I go to the current low. Okay, so it might move lower together with the price, should the price move a little bit lower. And resistance for the wave 4 is this between 4,360 and 4,400 basically. That's current resistance, which means that it is expected currently for the price to stay below that level. And if we see a break above it, then something more bullish might be going on. But now that we even took out this swing low, yeah, this is getting less likely. So, I mean, it could still extend this B wave higher if it really wants to, but ideally not. Ideally, we're just finishing off the C wave in the coming weeks, probably. Yeah, that's my update about the S&P 500. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.